In the middle of the week, we all need that one recipe that we can keep in our back pocket with ingredients found in the freezer and in the pantry. So I present to you my dump and bake meatball casserole dish. For this recipe, you'll need a 9x13 baking dish. And this is where the magic begins. Take your pasta and dump it in the dish. Next up, we've got our pre-made frozen meatballs that we're just going to, you guessed it, dump it in the dish. Next up, it wouldn't be pasta dish without the sauce, so gently pour the tomato sauce all over the pasta. And because the pasta is raw still, it'll need a lot of liquids to bake, so we're going to add 3 cups of water. Then all you gotta do is stir everything together, making sure that all the pasta is incorporated in the liquids. Now technically at this point, you could wrap it tightly with foil and place it in the preheated oven, but this is such a great opportunity to sneak in some extra veggies. So I'm gonna put in here some chopped mushrooms and some chopped bell peppers. And if you want, you can also add some extra herbs like some dry oregano or basil. Going to stir all those veggies in there. And then I'm gonna cover the dish with aluminum foil, making sure that it's nice and tight. Then into my preheated oven it goes for 35 minutes. Then take it out of the oven, remove the foil. Oh, wow. We'll give it a quick little stir and then cover it in mozzarella cheese. Back into the oven it goes for 10 to 15 minutes to get that cheese nice and crispy. And then let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before sprinkling on some fresh basil for some extra flavor, and you're ready to enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.